Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Twisted Pebble from Dandy's World, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started right in the center of our page, and for the nose we're going to curve this line up and down on the right. Let's come directly underneath now. We're just going to arch this line around, pulling that over and up on the side. We're going to draw in a small straight line coming down. Now let's come across on a diagonal. We're going to draw in a nice big circle for that left eye. And then we're going to line this up at the exact same height on the right, replicating that, drawing that at the same size. Let's move in towards the middle now, drawing in another circle. And then again, one more time, directly in the center. And now we're just going to color in the center ring around the eye black. Let's continue with the rest of the face. So on the top, connecting both eyes together, we're just going to curve this line across slightly. We're going to pull this line down and through on both sides. We're going to end it at roughly the same height as our line in the middle. Now from our center line, we're just going to curve this up slightly towards that line on the side. And then we'll do the exact same thing over on the right. Let's draw on the ears. So leaving a gap in the middle, we're going to curve this line up and out to the left. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, drawing that at the same size. Now on the outside edge, we're just going to curve this line in on a diagonal. And then again from there, we're just going to round that edge out, bringing that down to our eye. Now let's come up from that point, curving that in on a diagonal again. And then now from here, from that point, bringing that through towards the eye. We're just going to draw in a small diagonal line from corner to corner. Now let's come down drawing in the mouth. So we'll step in from this line, and we're going to curve this line down to the bottom. We're going to do the exact same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. Let's close this off underneath now with a curved line. Let's step in. We're going to curve this line down again. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's close this off on the bottom with another curved line. Right in the middle here, we're just going to bring this line out, tucking that back up on the side. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. We're going to make this triangle bigger now. So bringing this down, rounding that edge out, pulling it back up, and replicating that on the left-hand side as well. Now for the next one, we're going to replicate that again, making this even bigger as we pull this over and up. And then in that corner, we're just going to draw in a very small triangle tooth. Let's come down now. So right in the center again, we're going to draw in another triangle pointing up on either side. Again, as we come across, getting even bigger. And then one last time, making this one nice and tall. Let's draw on our tongue right in the center. So from that tooth, we're just going to curve this up and in towards the middle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, curving that over and down. Let's come down drawing in the body. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming out. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. We'll round that edge out, curving that in on a diagonal again towards the center. And then on the bottom, we're just going to close that off with a slight curved line. Let's draw on the leg. So from that edge here, we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming out on either side, ending that at the same height. And then we'll step across, lining that up at the same height, pulling that up on a diagonal. Now let's come down for the toe here. We're going to curve this around and in. We'll step across again, rounding that out, curving that up. And then one last time, again, curving this around, pulling that over and back in. Now for the claws, we're just going to curve this line out, tucking that back up. We'll come into the middle, replicating that. And then one last time on the bottom. Now lastly, we're just going to tuck the tail in behind. So stepping up from this corner, we're going to curve this line out. We're going to step up, replicating that, ending that at the same height. Let's flatten that tail out on the bottom. So we're just going to draw in a straight line across. We're going to round that out slightly as we bring that up on a diagonal on both sides. Let's bring that in on a diagonal again towards the top. And then we'll just flatten that out. And that is it. That's how you draw Twisted Pebble from Dante's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.